Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Let's we learn a shapes.
Circle, circle, round and round like the sun and like the ground. Square, square, four sides same, building blocks, love this game. Triangle, triangle, three sides bright, like a slice of pizza, what a sight. Rectangle, rectangle, long and wide, like a door we walk inside. Star, star shining high, twinkling, twinkling in the sky. Heart, heart full of love, sending smiles from above.
Thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye kids.